हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल गाइडेंस बाय सुरेश चौधरी। सिडबी का प्री का एग्ज़ाम्स हो चुका है और होपफुली आपका एग्ज़ाम अच्छा हुआ होगा। अब हमें मेंस की तैयारी शुरू कर देनी चाहिए, रिज़ल्ट का वेट नहीं करना है। तो हम मेंस में जो प्रीवियस ईयर के जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे उसके बेस्ड पे हम रोज़ एक क्वेश्चन तैयार करेंगे डिस्क्रिप्टिव का। तो आज हमने एक टॉपिक लिया सिडबी मेंस के लिए रैंप स्कीम। रैंप तो हम रोज़ की एक एक स्कीम करेंगे। उससे क्या है, हमारे पास कम से कम 10-15 स्कीम रेडी हो जाए जो एग्ज़ाम्स में हमें बेनिफिट देगी। तो रैंप स्कीम के बारे में देखते हैं। जो ऐसे है वो ऐसे आंसर राइटिंग जो आएगा वो लगभग 300 वर्ड्स के अंडर आएगा। तो हमें ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं लिखना है, छोटा ही लिखना है। तो रैंप का शुरू करते हैं। रैंप द रेजिंग एंड एक्सेलरेटिंग एमएसएमई परफॉर्मेंस scheme is a World Bank assisted initiative of Indian government to strengthen and improve the performance of MSME sector. Launched in June 2022, the scheme has 5-year implementation program with a budget of over 6,000 crore with 500 billion support from World Bank. Now we will write importance of RAMP scheme. It aims to improve the performance of 5.55 lakh MSMEs and increase access to credit and market, enhancing center-state partnership, addressing issues related to delayed payments, and greening of MSMEs. Now, objectives of RAMP scheme: improved market and credit access. To connect MSME to global and local market and consumers, it provides market information and platform for MSME to showcase their product. It also aims to simplify loan process and credit access to MSME by CGTMSC. Second is enhance intergovernmental collaboration. Key component of RAM scheme is development of SIPs, means strategic investment plans, in collaboration with states and UTs. These plans secure a roadmap for to identify sectoral gaps and mobilize resources for key interventions like technology upgrade, market promotion, and green initiatives. Third is addressing delayed payment issues. RAMP scheme tackles payment issues faced by MSMEs by implementing rules and regulations to ensure timely payment. MSME ODR scheme by Ministry of MSME under NIC National Informatics Center use AI and legal tools to online dispute resolution related to delayed payments. Next is environmental sustainability. Through MSME Gift and MSME Spice scheme and other initiative, RAMP scheme helps MSME transition to green tech to reduce impact on environment. In last we will write conclusion. RAMP scheme is facilitating MSMEs by tackling the issues faced by MSMEs by providing various benefits to MSMEs through center-state cooperation. It provides digitized solutions, upgrading technology innovations. RAM focused on development of MSMEs in India, thus creating various employment opportunities and encouraging aspiring women entrepreneurs also. So we will daily write one descriptive answer writing for one topic. Today we have selected the SIDBI RAMP scheme related to MSMEs. If you need any guidance, subscribe my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel by name of Guidance by Suresh Chaudhary.